Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add terms and condition in Shopify. So simply what we need to do, just click on the online store. So you want to add terms and condition. So for this you have to add a new page. So simply move to pages. So now here click on add a page. So now type the title here, terms and conditions, like this. Now here you can type the terms and condition one by one. If you have in numbers, you can also add in numbers, or you can randomly add terms and condition, all of terms and condition according to your store, or you in some cases you want to add some terms and condition on your products. So simply after this just click on page creation. Now our page is created. So you can see in this way you can simply add terms and condition. Now you can add this page to any product and terms and condition will be added to product.